A blood clot, or thrombus, can travel through the bloodstream until it gets stuck in a narrow channel. A so-called embolus. This is a condition in which blood can no longer reach the organs through the veins. A blood clot in the brain is also called a stroke. These clots can form anywhere in the body or directly in the brain. Numbness or weakness in the arms, face, and legs, especially on one side of the body, is a sign of a blood clot in the brain. 1. A blood clot in the brain is also known as a stroke. These blood clots can develop anywhere in the body, or directly in the brain. Numbness or weakness in the arms, face, and legs, especially on one side of the body, is a sign of a blood clot in the brain. 2. Paralysis is another sign of blood clots in the brain. Brain tissue cannot survive without a constant supply of oxygen, and hypoxia can cause severe symptoms and even death. 3. Another major sign of blood clotting in the brain is trouble speaking or understanding others. A blood clot in the brain could cause these speech changes, and trouble speaking or understanding speech. According to research, it may also cause headaches, an inability to move, and dizziness. 4. Slurred speech is another sign of blood clots in the brain. When the oxygen supply has been cut off to your brain by a blood clot, or you have bleeding in the brain, you could have slurred speech or be hard to understand or be unable to talk at all. 5. Other signs of a blood clot in the brain are confusion, disorientation, or lack of responsiveness. Sudden behavioral changes, especially increased agitation, are also sign of blood clot.